recording. Ladies, gentlemen, we are working on servers today. Is Steven Cicero here? This video, or this live stream, is specifically for him. Alright? What is going on? Dan Ruggs, Disrupt. Dan Ruggs, I heard you're at Mining Disrupt. How is it? No top chat. Alright, I'm on live chat now. Good morning. Zapirate, smash that like button. Today, we're gonna try to install FreeNAS. Is it free? No, TrueNAS. Wait, is it called TrueNAS now? TrueNAS. FreeNAS, TrueNAS. Alright. On one of these servers. I'm not sure of the requirements of TrueNAS. So I have a really baller server from Geek of All Trades. This is a PowerEdge R820 with specifically four E5 4640 V2s, 2.2 gigahertz. So 40 cores all together, I think, with hyper-threading. So 80 cores theoretically, and then this one has 512 gigabytes of RAM. 512. I feel like this might be too overkill for TrueNAS, but you guys let me know. Now, this server here, I feel like would be a better fit. This one's actually from Mr. Retro Mike, but I don't know the specs. I just saw one of the RAM sticks. It's 4 gig DDR3. I don't know what the processors. I don't know what the processors are, but if Retro Mike is gonna watch this eventually. Joker Miner, Red Panda Miner, we got in on the XXL, nice hash email. Yeah, I did as well, Joker Miner. I hope I get a Bitcoin block. I bought 300 shares on the easy mining thing. Zapirate, you have to set the raid card to HBA non-raid mode. Yes, I know. I think I know that because TrueNAS, I need to use iSCSI because we're gonna do ZFS file system, right? ZFS, 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 ZFS file system, right? Right? I'll be able to iSCSI that, hopefully, and raid some 1 terabyte SSDs. Hopefully these are okay, probably not, we'll see. ZFS, yes. It's way too hot out here for a mountain boy. Dan Ruggs, that's awesome, that's awesome. Joker Miner, Disrupt has some pretty women there. There's that. Nice, nice. Joker Miner, I love it. Okay, so I've already turned on. I've been testing this Dell R820 since yesterday. It already has 4 mechanical hard drives, and it already has Vmware version ESXi 6.5 installed. Geek of All Trades left it on here. So this server is massive. It has 4 Xeon E5 4640 V2s. I wonder how well this would mine Varus. Should we try Varus on this thing? So what I want to do now, is check on what's the memory requirement for TrueNAS. What's the system requirements for TrueNAS? Let's bring you guys into the screen here. Let's see here. Okay, so I wanna download TrueNAS Core or Scale. Get TrueNAS Enterprise. Well, I'm not gonna buy a TrueNAS Core, I'm assuming. Okay, here we go. Here's the requirements. 64-bit CPU, 8 gigs of RAM, 16 gigabyte recommended. 16 gig boot drive, SSD encouraged. At least 1 attached disk, network port, hardware RAID not recommended. Right, so we're doing non-RAID. But TrueNAS is able to do some type of ZFS thing. Hardware requirement. Alright, let's just see here. Storage considerations, storage device. Okay, so I mean the 2-core. All right, so like the requirements don't seem that massive. Like it doesn't seem like it needs a lot. So doing it on that 4-core server, just for TrueNAS, might be overkill. What are your guys' thoughts? I need some thoughts here. I need to pop out the chat. Let's pop out the chat. Pop out the chat. I only have one monitor here. Smash that like, bros. YouTube needs to give me bandwidth. Okay. Scale is better. Better hardware support. UK Miners Club. Is TrueNAS Scale free to? Is this free to download? 200 unit size. Before you continue to download, join 230. What's TrueNAS Scale? What's the difference? Hyper-converged storage that scales up or out, integrated Linux containers and VMs, deploys a single node or cluster. Okay, my whole point of doing this is because I want to have a Datastore, iSCSI connection to my 3 VMware hosts, which I'm going to use vCenter to cluster the 3 HP servers. Right, I have 3 hosts. So I'm using TrueNAS as the Datastore. Is that it? Do I use this? Or do I use Core? What's the difference? What's the difference here? Features. See, many applications via SMB, NFS, or iSCSI. This is what I need. I need this iSCSI connection to my VMware vCenter. Scale is free. Okay, Scale is free. Yes, it's free. Okay, only support costs money. Okay, NAS cluster. Goat is identifying as you today. Dan Ruggs, good. I'm telling all the content creators, use my name. As long as you guys can get me an ASIC miner, just use my name. Core is based on FreeBSD. Scale is based on Debian, I think. Oh. Scale is Linux based, Core is FreeBSD based. So Scale is for multiple NAS servers. Well, I'm only gonna have one. I'm only gonna have one server for my storage. So honestly, I've never played around with this. I've seen many people do TrueNAS, but I've never used TrueNAS as a Datastore. I've just heard of the using it as a Datastore connection for VMware. That's all I'm using this for. Do I need to have Scale, or can I just use Core? That's my question. It seems like some of you guys have used TrueNAS. Who here has used TrueNAS before? All in chat. Cherry lover. Anyone here? Can you explain a little bit more on this stuff? Algerian skinny chungus. Okay, my whole point in doing all of this. Okay, my whole point in doing all of this for a server is I am trying to have high availability. I have three other HP servers right now that are running VMware iSCSI. That is going to be a host for my virtual machines. What we're doing today is now building a storage solution for my 3 VMware hosts. Those three VMware hosts don't have any storage. Those are just the iSCSI boxes, all right? Just the host, virtual machine hosts, okay? They're not virtual machines, but they're the hosts that are going to run the virtual machines. What I'm doing today is I need to build essentially a storage system. I'm thinking of using TrueNAS, or I could use many other different storage solutions out there, just to have a connection to those 3 HP servers. So I'm just wanting to build I have a whole bunch of 1 terabyte SSDs here, and I just want to have a couple of terabytes worth of storage for my virtual machines. So it's those 3 HP servers that are running VMware iSCSI right now. Actually, I think they're running version 8 right now. They are going to be connecting to one of these servers so that I could have hopefully redundancy here. I'll have redundancy on the HP servers, and yeah, that's basically it. That's the whole point. And having enterprise grade type of hardware to run all this stuff, so that I won't have to worry about it, going down or that kind of thing. I could use a simple ATX computer, build out a simple 1 server. But in my opinion, I want to have that really I want to have that redundancy. I want to have that safeguard where I have 3 hosts that, you know, if one of the hosts go down, my virtual machines will still be up. You know, that type of thing. So that's the plan. That's the plan here. All right, that's the plan. I'm gonna use VMware vCenter to cluster the hosts together, and then I want to use TrueNAS to have a iSCSI. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Overboard Tech, hello. Hello. What do you guys count on the count of 3? Timeout Iowa crypto mining. Algerian skinny chungus. All right, thank you for the explanation. No worries, man. That is very. I don't know. That was a very basic explanation, but I don't even know. I don't know if this solution is going to be good for me or not. If this can do the Datastore connection, like my storage solution I want for my virtual machines with VMware. I don't know if this is going to do it or not, but it says iSCSI, so I'm assuming that I can make that connection. Overboard Tech, have you used TrueNAS before? Overboard Tech, I know you're an IT guy. RPM, use scale. It can use old hardware and new hardware. Wolf, what? Okay, so I don't need to use core. You're telling me I don't need to use core. Does TrueNAS scale do iSCSI? Features. Oh, vCenter plugin. Oh. Okay, that's a good sign. Could I hook it up to vCenter? Emily applications via SMB NFS iSCSI. There we go. Okay. Cluster, improved storage UI. Okay. Jumbo frames. Yes. This is another thing because I'm going to be using 10 gigabit SFP plus cards to my Ubiquiti 10 gig switch. So hopefully this can do it. Overboard Tech. I use TrueNAS, but ACL requirement sucks. Migrated over to unrated. What's ACL requirement? Core supports iSCSI, pretty sure. FreeNAS did, so Core should. Okay. Alright. We can have more servers later too, probably better. Alright. You're not the fact about it could be more likely a power supply for your server's network from your ISP have issues before your own servers. Core supports, okay, alright. High availability, fast ZFS replication, 10 to 100 gigabyte clustering. Okay, this sounds good. Because I do have other servers that I could then connect to it, yeah, as like a backup or something. Manual update, upgrade from core or scale, download stable. Alright, download stable. Okay. Alright, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try scale. I was gonna use core, but you guys say I should use scale. Okay. Alright. Now, the question. Should I use this server or the PowerEdge R820 with 4 Xeon E5 4640s and 512 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabytes of RAM? Does this TrueNAS need that much hardware? This or this? I don't even know what processors are in this thing. Both. Dan Ruggs, thank you for becoming a member, man. Dan Ruggs, how's mining disrupt? It's a pirate. My TrueNAS runs on i3 with 32 gigs of RAM. Does fine. Okay. All right. I'm using the top one. Actually, I don't even know the specs of this. You know, we're gonna turn it on. I need to turn it on. Hold on. Let's put everything back. I don't know what spec. Retro Mike sent me this server, so Knowing him, he probably put a bunch of viruses on here, and he's probably trying to hack me. Oh my god, this is stuck. You know what? F the cover. F it. F it. I also need to put a 10 gigabit network card in here. All right, Dell server, you are turning off. All right, Dell server's off. Okay. Why are you not here, Dan Ruggs? It's big fun. Dan Ruggs, you know why I'm not there. I would love to be, but I'm not there. Okay. You know why. I just don't want to see Retro Mike. Retro Mike is the reason why I'm not going. Where's the... USB mouse keyboard. This thing has a bunch of Ethernet. I don't know which one's which. This one only has one power supply, so that I don't have redundancy there, but it does have another slot for another power supply. Oh, I can just pop it out. Why when... What is this? 550 watt max, so I need another one of these. Someone source me another one. Are these on eBay? Why win? I need another one. Retro Mike only gave me one. What a cheap bastard. So glad he's not here to smack talk me. Alright. Oh shit, server turned on already. Ah shit, I don't have a monitor. Okay. Alright. Let's see what processors these are. Oh, it just beeped at me. It's beeping. Why is it beeping? Ugh. Is it because the case is open? That's probably why. I need to put on the cover, right? Yeah, most likely. Retro Mike is crouching around goat, I hear. Installation of TrueNAS is fairly simple. Configuration takes a bit more time. Have fun. Dinner time. Is a pirate? Okay. Only Canadians wear cargo shorts. Hey, there's nothing wrong with my shorts. No wedding ring for Panda, it seems. Yeah. Times are tough. Patrick Murphy. Okay. Yeah, I think it's not turning on, so I'm gonna put the cover back on. Let's turn this off first. Where's the power button? There it is. Huh? Doesn't turn off. Doesn't turn off. Okay, whatever. I'm putting the cover back on. Okay. Alright, how about now? Will this thing turn on? Oh boy. I think we gotta turn this off. Okay, I'll plug it back in. Unless Retro Mike sent me a dud server. Retro Mike. Okay, now it's green. Now it's green. Let's see. Anything shows up on the screen. One hour until the XXL kicks off. Joker Miner? Nice, nice. Nice. I want that keyboard, Red Pen and Money. Dude, this is the oldest keyboard in history. SciTech. I've had this thing since like 2005. Alright, it's beeping at me. Why is it beeping at me? Retro Mike, help! Retro Mike, send help. Why is the server beeping? Damn it. Ah! Okay, first thing I noticed, Retro Mike sabotaging me because one of the PCIe is a little bit out. Look at that. Look at that cable. It's not even in all the way. There we go. See? It's in now. Retro Mike wanted to sabotage me. Huh. So, why is this thing beeping? I don't know. User error, I'm assuming. Joker Miner? Reseat all the RAM. Oh boy. Okay, sure. Something could have popped out in shipping. Yes, something could have. Even the CPU. Right? It's pretty satisfying, actually. Pushing in all the RAM. Okay. All pushed in. Now what? eBay. Patrick Murphy. Oh my. Alright. That's for the power supply. Dan Ruggs. Overboard Tech. Red Pen and Money is coming for your hand bay title. Get the floppy ball. You just had to pull out one stick of RAM to show us, didn't you? Red Panda Mining reseating. What? What's wrong with reseating? Leno Chad, you're banned. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Let's see what error we get. Please work. It's green. The front of the thing is green. Retro Mike, we need support. No, it's not the CPU. Oh, it worked! Reseating the RAM worked! Holy shit! Yes! Who said reseat the RAM? Who said to reseat the RAM? You are a god. You are a god. Praise the Lord. Intel server board. Oh shit. Oh, okay. What is this? I just want to know what the processor is. I need to go in the BIOS. Escape to view diagnostic messages. Okay, sure. ACHI, SATA compatible, 8 ports in SATA mode. Enter setup. Wow, that actually worked. Reseating the RAM actually worked. I'm extremely surprised. Extremely surprised. Joker Miner? No, it was automatic beats? No, it wasn't automatic beats. Somebody else. Alright. Alright, it's not going in the setup. Yes, it was automatic beats. Okay, it was automatic beats? Alright. Oh, it's trying to boot every single network card. Cancel. Automatic beats. Good job. It was good job. Ah, it's booting through all the NICs. Now give me your KS0. No, definitely not. Okay. Crypto Carnage, what's up? Techman, when BTC blocks? I don't know. Holy crap, how many network cards does this thing have? Dude. It's cycling like crazy. Rondi, all the minions are working hard today at Mining Disrupt. Rondi, thank you for the donation. Dude, Hawk is recording everything. Yeah, Pixie boot loop. Yeah, you're right. I just want to go in the BIOS. It's not letting me see any of all that stuff. Rondi, I want someone to stream Mining Disrupt. Nobody. Oh no, I saw Geek of All Trades this morning. I missed it, but he streamed this morning. It's awesome. Geek did a 17-minute stream. Only 17 minutes? Yeah, no wonder I didn't see it. I was also sleeping before this. Alright, total memory, 72 gigabytes. Okay, that feels like enough. What's the processors? Alright, we have a Intel Xeon 2697 V2, 2.7 gigahertz. E5 2697. Okay, we have two of them. Alright, this is good. This is good. This is definitely good. Okay. you know what? I'm just gonna put everything back to stock. Instance, error code. Oh, there's a million error codes here. Memory failed. Memory disabled. Memory failed. Memory disabled. Memory failed. Okay, we got... Wait, does this thing has 72 gigabytes of RAM? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 sticks. So it's 24 times 4. Dan Ruggs, how tall are you? Everyone seems to be big short. What? Excuse me? 96 gigabytes. So we're at, it says total memory is 72. Oh boy. We have an issue. Memory configuration. Oh, here. Oh, shit. Oh, there you go. Yeah, look at that. Failed. Dim. Performance. Alright. Failed. Disabled. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We got an issue here. Retro Mike. Wait, how does... Oh, so this server can disable the DIMMs. That's pretty cool. So B123 and then D123 has failed. Huh. Okay. Now what? Now what do I do? Conclusion. Either they aren't all 4 gig or some are not registering. Patrick Murphy, No, I think it's confirmed some of them are dead, according to this. Okay. Alright. Alright, you know what? That's... Alright, we're gonna... What are we gonna do? I want to... load default values. Okay. Blame Retro or UPS. I'm gonna blame UPS for sure. Rinse and repeat. Okay, yeah, we're gonna reseat again. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Well, I'm just gonna reseat the 6, whatever. B123, D123. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna let it boot. Clean all the RAM pads and reinstall RAM. Benjamin Quinnos. What's up, man? RPM, thanks again for helping me, Crypto Miner Bros. My KS0 should be delivered by Friday. Nice, man. Nice. Okay, we still have 72 gigabytes of RAM. Alright, I'm going to turn it off. And we are going to reseat RAM. Let's reseat some RAM. Again. Take out the power. So how do I... Okay. Oh, the DIMM numbers are here on the motherboard. Frickin' awesome. What was it again? B123 and D... No. B and then... What was the other one? D123? Crap. Does someone remember? DIMM... B123 and D123? B123, D123. Okay, thank you, Patrick Murray. So I'm going to... It's these 3 at the end. B123. So these 3. And then D123. These 3. 1. Yes, I'm using my fingers to wipe it. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Okay, let's try again. Yes, put natural oils on it. Oh, automatic beats? God damn it. Alright, it's turning back on. Let's see if it turns back on. Sasquatch, Patrick Murphy is correct. Thank you, Patrick Murphy. Alright, let's see if we got 96 gigabytes of RAM now. It's not turning on. 69 would be better. I think it's dead. Doesn't like the RAM. It's going through something. It's still green though on the front of the case. Oh, it wasn't. Oh, I had to press the power button. Okay. Alright. Alright, now it turns on. I thought it would turn on automatically like it did before. Alright. Alright, it's turning on. It's turning on. I gotta go on the BIOS. I'm gonna go on the BIOS. Don't yell at me. Alright, F2. Enter setup. Total memory, 84 gigabytes. Are you kidding me? Oh, look at that. Look at that. D1, D2, D3 works now. It's now B123 is failed disabled. Oh my effing. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Alright, do we have to do the same thing? B1, B2, B3. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off again. We're gonna reseat again, I guess. We're gonna try again. B1, B2, B, right? So it's these three. These three right here has failed. These three. Crap. Crap, I forgot which one goes where. Does it matter? Oh crap. It doesn't matter, right? They're all 4 gigabytes. Let's try again. In case there's little dust particles in there. Yeah, I did. I blew out the memory slot too. Let's see if this works. They look different. Those different RAM chips, aren't they? They look different. Yeah, they all said 4 GB on them. I don't know. I don't know, man. It's alright. Let's go in the BIOS and see if it works now. Entering setup. Looks like it's taking a while. That means something's broken. Nope, 84 GB still. B1, B2, B3, disabled, disabled, disabled. Shit. Damn it. One more time? Should I swap the RAM around? What would you guys do? What would you guys do? I'd dump it in a lake and sell armpit pics. Dan Ruggs. Is this HyperX camera too? Overboard Tech, god damn all of you. None of you helping. All of you are banned. Go for the build and buy RAM later. Alright. I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna switch the RAM around. I'm just gonna switch it around. See what happens. Okay, trying again. Okay, turning on. Try to switch B2 and C2 parts. No. If the other sides work, I'm not gonna touch them. I'm not gonna touch those. Crypto Mikkel, yo. Crypto Mikkel, how are you, man? Lena Chad, Baron Hammer strikes every time. Alright, F2, enter setup. It's getting loud. Nope, 84 gig. Still 84 gig. Yep. DIM B1, B2, B3 has failed. Everything else is up. Wow. Alright. That's it. Alright. F it. We're gonna install FreeNAS now. Okay. I need to get a, let's go back to the screen here. Alright, bros. We need to, we downloaded it, right? TrueNAS. Okay, TrueNAS. We need a USB stick, right? Valina Etcher? Alright, that's one thing I need to get. I need a USB stick. Hold on. Be right back. Be right back. One. Plug it in. USB stick engaged. Alright. Depran, I have to go get Chipotle now. Enjoy your server, Pen. I'm glad it took a year and a half for you to get them up and running. Depran? Have a good lunch. Select. Flash. Oh boy. Oh! I forgot. We now, okay, so while that's flashing, try cleaning the contacts with rubber eraser. Earl Larson, I don't have an eraser. Can also mean CPU needs reslot. Overboard Tech, Rondi, it could be the slot that went bad. Overboard Tech, are you saying I need to reseat the CPUs? I can do that. I have new CPU thermal paste. Thank you to Noctua. I can do it. You want me to do it? Should I take out the CPUs? Do you think that'll make a difference? More likely the RAM chip is bad. Move 123 DIMMs to 456 to see if the problem moves. Tains. I don't wanna switch RAM around. I'm so afraid. Do it. Memory interfaces directly CPU, so you can try resocketing that far CPU. Okay, interesting. Patrick Murphy, no. How many glasses of vodka is enough to see Retro Mike? Oh, Dan Ruggs, too soon. Might as well. IG. I bet it won't fix, but it's worth trying. What Tane said, like we're all saying. Patrick Murphy, I swear, you guys just want all these DIMMs to die. It's worth a try, plus get fresh pasting. Move the RAM chip to a working slot to confirm it's the RAM chip. Red Pen of mine. Scott Sheffield. Alright. Screw you guys. Fine. Turn off. Fine. Drain the power, holding the power button. Okay. Fine. Come on, RPM. Big PP energy. No. The PP energy is not here today. Okay. So, you want me to switch A123 with B123. So, I'm just going to swap these three that were working over to here. Okay? Are we doing that? Is that what we're doing? Yes. Okay. Oh my god, watch this, like, totally screw up the server even more. Everything's gonna break now. Okay. All right. If this breaks both 6 slots, I'm banning everybody. Turning the server on. 3, 2, 1. Mark them before moving. Joker Miner, I'm not marking shit. It's done. I already moved it. If the modules move in BIOS, bad modules. If it stays on the first slots, resocket CPU. Overboard Tech? Okay. If it stays with the socket, reslot CPU. Okay. Alright. Randy. I said repaste, not swap, so I am good. Haha. Alright. Well, now it's stuck at the screen. Something tells me something is in worse condition now. Alright, F2. Not worse, just different. Mem training. Overboard tech. Okay. Bad modules. Okay. Bad sticks. Okay. Alright. So that ruled out. Okay, so that ruled the RAM is bad. You know what? I think I have DDR4 DDR3 4 gigabytes somewhere here. I could put it in. I could put them in. I just don't know where they are. Give me a sec. Let me check. Four gigabyte 10,600. Okay, these look more like it. 4 gigabyte. Alright, this is the one. PC3 10600. Alright, it looks like I could try this. This RAM doesn't look in good shape. 4 gigabyte 10600. DDR3. I got another one here. Another 4 gigabyte. And I got another 4 gigabyte 10600 here. Should I try this? Should I try this RAM? I got 3 here. You guys think that'll work? Of course he has more. What? Is that ECC RPM? Ah, looks like it. Give it a try. Alright, let's do it. Alright, take note. We're gonna change the A123. Okay, A123. Turn off. Alright. Well, let me verify if it's the same, like, megahertz. Wow, that flash is complete for TrueNAS? Wow, that took a long time. That took a long time. A1, it's gonna work. Scott Sheffield. A123. Okay, so these 3 we're gonna take out. Too bad it... So, if 1 is bad, it disables all 3 slots, or is it no, all 3 is bad? Wait, let's verify if it's the same. This is DDR4, 4 gigabyte, 4 gigabyte, 10600, and this other stuff is also 4 gigabyte, 10600. Okay, let's try it. I don't have much faith in this, but we're gonna try. Huh? Okay, next one. Okay, last one. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Let's see if it goes on fire. Or smokes. Here's the old RAM. I'm gonna make sure I don't short this RAM. I'm gonna put it over right here. Alright, turning on. 3, 2, 1. Could happen to disable all slots if one is bad. Okay. Joker Miner, we are on 1 hour mark, FYI, of the live stream. Joker Miner. You bastard. Oh, I just got a text message. Okay. Yes! 96! Yes, thank God! Thank the server gods! Yes! Yes, how beautiful is that? Look at that! Look at that! 90... Yes! We did it! I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Success. Wow. I'm extremely surprised. The Silicon Gods. Scott Sheffield told ya. Yeah, Scott, you did. You did. Alright. Okay, we gotta turn it off because we gotta add the SSDs in this thing. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, here we go. Now the fun part begins. Alright, the fun part begins. Okay, hold on. One sec, guys. I just need to do a text message. Hold on. Chat is always right. Smokey Dan? Sometimes. Kind of suspicious that you had right memory at hand. It's a pirate! Screw you! You know what? That's it. That's it. You know what? This RAM... You know what's more suspicious? That Retro Mike sent me that RAM separately. He knew. He knew the RAM was bad. He knew. Okay, guys, I have to go in like 10 minutes, unfortunately. But in the meantime, I will then come back and then continue on with the live stream, the second part of this. But so first, now we're just going to install all these SSDs. Okay, all the 1 terabyte. Really, I hope these are okay. I don't know if these SSDs are good or not. 1 terabyte capacity time tech SSDs. Let's go. It's a pirate. Thank you, RPM. Keep us entertained. Yes. He's got instructions from spousal unit. Yeah. Something came up. Okay, alright, I need screws now. I need screws for these SSDs. Uh-oh. Retro Mike! Help! Retro Mike, where's the screws? Can I use the same screws from the Dell stuff? Yes, I can. Okay, hold on, just texting. Alright. Let's go. Thanks to all the people helping you. Mike Hill, thank you, bros. Yes, thank you, all of you. Mining Chamber, where is the panda? Mining Chamber, don't come into this live stream. Don't. Get out of here. Mining Chamber, how are you? What are you doing? What are you doing? gonna take this out. Take the camera out a bit. How is everybody? Texting and sexting, what do we say? We need a poll. Don't let me ban everyone here. Mind Chamber, you can ban anyone you want. Go for it. Okay, to save screws, because I need to do like 6 more, I'm only gonna do like 2 on each side. 2 screws per SSD. So it's gonna be kind of weird, but it should be fine. All right, let's see if it goes in now. Does it go in? Okay. Like that? That was easy. Wait, I just realized. Crap. So, how does ZFS work? I guess it doesn't. Alright, never mind. I'm not going to answer that question. I'm not going to ask that question right now. I need a host drive that's going to install TrueNAS on there. So... Magic, no one actually knows. So what, 2007? Bro. So what, 2007? I saw your email the other day. I'm sorry I haven't responded. Black Cat Crypto, I did say, yes, this earlier in the stream, but I said this is my data store. This is for my virtual machines. So this is gonna connect my 3 HP servers in a cluster, and then those HP servers are gonna access this data store. And we're using TrueNAS. I have no idea if it's actually gonna work or not. It should, in theory. Whatever is capable. Oh crap. Okay. I'm watching Panda touching SSDs. Second 1 terabyte going in. And that's not going in. It's not going in, bro. It's not going in. Huh? What the hell? Okay. I just shoved it in there. Forcefully. Alright. It's not level. It needs more screws. Joker Miner, you're probably right, but I can't afford that right now. Okay. Need more screws. I got screws from the Dell caddies that we're not using today. Thought was gonna use these. Oh, there's no screws in here. Okay. Thank God the LTT screwdriver is magnetic. Ah, Mr. Mad Electron. What's up, man? Mad Electron, how are you, bro? How's life? Panda likes it rough. You guys suck, all of you. All of you, horrible. I'm out, my friends. RPM brother, take care. Have a good one. Crypto Carnage, good to see you, man. Alright, This one got in. Perfect. Okay, next one. Next SSD. Dom G, no, this is not a cooking stream. It's a server stream. Finally putting my like storage server for my VMs up now. It's been way too long, and I might as well just do a live stream of it. I was gonna do a video, but I said, you know what? I'm just doing live streams now of everything because I found out that I like it more. And doing videos of it, you know, I just can't record everything. It just takes forever. Might as well just do a live stream. Live stream is just, I feel it's better. I don't know. Maybe not. Dom G, XP1. XP1, you're still awake? What is this? Okay. 6 more, 2 more, how many more? 3 more? XP1, 9 p.m. here. Ah, no wonder. Panda wanted free tech support for an end company, and that is fine. We're all happy to help, right? Game of Smoky Den, right? Yes. Exactly. Exactly. Need more screws. Can TrueNAS or FreeNAS run on a rated, like, drive, host drive? Like, I know ZFS, we don't need RAID for the, like, the actual data drives, but can where the host software resides, like the TrueNAS core, or TrueNAS scale, can I put that on a rated mirror? Like, does it work that way or no? Like, how does it know? How does it, hold on. Yes. Yeah, he interrupted me. Oh, Retro Mike is here. He interrupted, who interrupted you? Retro Mike. Here to see failures. Retro Mike, how are you? How's Mind Disrupt? Did you talk to Locotech? Is it real? Did he showcase it yet? Did he showcase that thing? Is it real? Where do we send our money? Yes, Panda. Overboard Tech, Mass Boost, yes. When you install and configure ZFS, you can mirror the OS drives. I do that all the time. Overboard Tech, do you do that when you install the software, the OS? Like I have on the USB stick right now, you do that there, or you do that when you are inside the TrueNAS scale? Overboard Tech, yes, during OS setup. Okay. Alright, cool. All in on Locotech. Oh my god. Retro Mike, I don't know if you're kidding or serious. 100% real. 100 real and even better than expected. Really? So that Locotech is actually real. Like he showed you numbers. Like it showed you exact, like, was it mining and everything? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Unraid. Mad Electron. Can Unraid do a Datastore connection to Vmware? Can Unraid do that? To vCenter? I'm down for Unraid too. But does Unraid support ZFS? You're 10 minutes on the mark. Having to leave. FYI. Oh, Stroker Miner. Thank you. All right. SSD in. Mad Electron. Hell no. Okay, overboard tech. That's sick. Okay. Okay, good to know. Good to know. Okay, one more SSD. So with TrueNAS scale then, I can just keep on adding SSDs to this thing if I wanted, and I can just add more storage to it, right? Essentially. Or have more redundancy, more backup. Overboard tech. Not actually hashing live, but it looks at the chip. Okay. All right. So it wasn't. He hasn't shown it hashing. Well, that's a big red flag. He needs to show it hashing, not just show an actual like a physical. You know what he's doing, man? They're just taking pre-orders. Like they're taking pre-order money, and they're gonna use that money. Even though he did explain that no, this money is on escrow or something. I don't know. 10-minute passed already. XP1. How many servers did Panda break? Retro Mike, you sent me a server that had broken RAM, but luckily we fixed it by swapping and reseeding and all that stuff. We had a lot of fun. Getting the RAM to work. That was most of the stream, actually. Mr. Retro Mike. Retro Mike, what are you doing? Why are you watching this live stream? Go enjoy mining Disrupt. Or is it not enjoyable anymore? What is mining Disrupt about? All about now. I feel like it's all meant for like huge Bitcoin mining farms and you know. You need to have lots of money to buy certain things. Okay, I only have 7 1TB SSD drives. All right. How many servers did Panda break? He really dislikes you. I love it. Retro Mike. Are you talking about Mike? You're talking about Ben from Locotech? He really dislikes me? That's great. I love it. His anguish sustains me. Tell him he needs to send me one. He needs to send me like 10 hash blades, so I can make him love me again. Just had a VIP lunch with Candy. All the other peasants had to go somewhere else for lunch. Retro Mike, oh my god. Bacon, eggs, and hash. Just next gen convention. We had millions of those back in the day. Oh, that's awesome. All set, miner. Don't laugh at me. Just kidding. Okay. Now what? Now what are we doing? You know what? I just thought of something. I need smaller host drive. I need a 500. I need a smaller host drives. I think I have smaller ones somewhere. So if I did 2 500 gig SSDs, or can I do 2 240 gig SSDs? 2 240 gig SSDs in Mirror. Would that be better? Instead of, yeah, I don't need to do 1 terabyte host drive, right? Is my thought process right here? That means I need one more. I'm gonna put this here, because this is gonna have a 240 gig or a 500 gig, I don't know. Okay, so fill up the 2 host drives in the first 2 slots. Right? Does that make sense, Overboard Tech? Is that what you do? Overboard Tech. He says he loves Crypto Mining Insider, but hates Panda. I love it. I love it. Retro Mike, did he actually say that? Did he actually? RPM made a nemesis. Local Tech. Did he actually? Now we know that you have a mole on your right hand. XP1, I have many moles on my right hand and left hand as well. You know, sometimes I like to use the left hand. It feels like, you know, feels like someone else. Overboard tech. The OS is absolutely tiny. You could run it on 16 gigabyte SSDs. Oh, overboard tech doesn't matter. Red Pen Mining. It's all in the software. It'll just be dev SD0, dev SD1. Okay, perfect. Overboard tech. That reassures me. Then I'm gonna buy cheaper, smaller SSDs. I'm gonna buy one more 1 terabyte. Let's see if Amazon can one day ship to me. Let's see. Or less than 1 day. Let's see. 1 TB time tech. I need one more. 1 TB time tech. Oh wow, they're $50 now. They're so cheap. So cheap. Alright, add to cart. And then I need, like what? 240 gig? 250 gig SSD? 240 gig SSD. How much are those now? $20. Should I get like better branded ones like Samsung? Like, do you think Samsung would have a better like reliability, or that doesn't matter? Is there a lot of read and write on the host drive? Overboard tech? Overboard tech, do you know if there's a lot of read and writes on the host drive? Or nothing that much? Overboard tech, 120 or 240? They're all pretty much free. Just get something that's NAND, not DRAM. Yeah, pretty much free for you. Seemingly no. I have cheap Kingston drives that have been running FreeNAS for 5 years. Oh shit. All right, that sounds good. I trust Kingston a little bit more than all these other brands here. SanDisk? Is SanDisk SSD is okay? What about Team Group? Team Group 240 gig for $20 Canadian. That's like $12 US. It's so cheap. Retro Mike. He did. F that guy. What? Retro Mike. I love it. Money on Retro Mike Tech. Yeah, Team Group has some really good TBW these days. Team Group. Okay. Oh, I'll try these then. 240 gig. 3D NAND. Speed. Okay. Alright, let's try it. I'll buy 2 of these. 240 gig, $20. That's extremely cheap. Oh, 1 day. It'll be here tomorrow. Oh, it'll be here tomorrow. Okay. I think I have SSDs. I think I have more SSDs somewhere. I just don't know where. I don't know where right now. I'll find them. Alright, bros. That's it. Wait, no, I do have 120. Hold on. Hold on. How reliable? How reliable is Patriot Burst Elite 120 gig? Are these reliable? I'm assuming no. Having stacks of drives everywhere. Hey, listen, I have parts everywhere, okay? I don't mean to. Or maybe I do. Oh, this one wasn't even in. Time Tech, is that pronounced Timmy Tech? Dom G, I've been using SanDisk and Team Group without issue. Does it really matter when you have a parity set, lol? Just throw them in there if they don't have an OS on them. Overboard Tech, don't get attitude with me. Don't no attitude here. God damn it. Fine. I'm putting these in. I don't care. They're going in. They're going in. RPM, I am attitude. I love it. Good. good. This will be the host drives then. This will be the ZFS mirror. Alright? Alright, first one in. Doesn't fit. Doesn't go in. Why? It's level with the screw. Okay, that better work. What time is it? Somebody have the time? Oh, I ran out of screws. That's not good. That's not good. I ran out of screws. I guess what Panda had to do in 10 minutes wasn't important. Yeah, I gotta go now. It's important. It's very important. Okay. Retro Mike, can you please stream Mining Disrupt? Retro Mike, get wrecked. I'll find it. I will continue the stream on later today. We'll install TrueNAS. Give me like 2 hours. I'll come back. Black Cat Crypto, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay. XP1, 901. Alright. Peace, bros. Get wrecked. Retro Mike, can you stream, please? Can you please stream something of enjoyment for all of us? Why not? Hell no. What do you mean, hell no? Come on. Alright, we will continue. I have TrueNAS scale installed on this USB. Ready to install. Okay, we'll do this later today. Alright, why no stream with your lunch with candy? Went to get coffee. How far we got? Smoky Dan, we didn't get very far. Okay, well, we'll continue part 2 later today. Alright, bros. Thank you for joining. Thank you for helping me. I'm so glad we figured out the RAM. That was good. Alright. Good night. I'll see you back here in about maybe an hour. Maybe 2 hours. Maybe less. Maybe less. Alright, I might be back a lot faster. Unless someone's streaming at Mining Disrupt. Alright. Peace out, bros.